Question number 7. It says a converging lens of focal length f is used to cast an image of an object as shown in the figure. The upper half of the lens is now covered by an opaque coating. Which of the following statement is most appropriate? This is option A. Upper half of the image is going to be brighter than the lower half. Lower half is going to be brighter than the above half. Entire portion of this image is going to be uniformly reduced brightness. Entire portion of the image appears with reduced brightness, but distribution is requiring more information. So let's draw the figure of this thing, and after using array diagram we can find out the image location. Now since this portion of the lens is being coated, so only this portion is going to be form the image. The location of image and the height of image they are not going to be changed because of this covering of the above half part of the lens. However, brightness can be distributed. So where the image is going to be formed, we can use this lens formula. And since u has been given to us, so we can use this u value, which is minus 1.25 f. And when we substitute and simplify, we come out to be that v is equal to 2f. It's a positive, that means image is going to be formed in the right side of this, and it's going to be real. Magnification we know is written by m is equal to v by u. And when we simplify by putting v and u, you will find it's turned out to be minus 4. That means image is going to be inverted in nature, first of all, and it is going to be enlarged 4 times. So that's going to be large, 4 times enlarged, and inverted. That means this A is going to be downwards, B is going to be upward. Now, which portion is going to have a more brightness will depend which portion or which point has been formed by using more incident light rays. You can definitely say that this lower portion of this image, this object, will have more light rays incident on this portion of the mirror. Hence, it will have more reflected light rays. That means this portion is going to have more brightness as compared to the upper portion of the image. Upper portion of this object. If you consider this upper portion of the image, then you'll find the light rays amount from here is going to be less as compared to as from the below. And they are also going to be refracting and forming this image. So you'll find the light rays which are coming from the above half of the object will be lesser in number that are going to be incident on this, whereas the number of light rays coming from the lower half of the object will be more in number that is going to be incident on this mirror, lower part of the mirror. Hence, you'll find refracted light rays of this lower half of the object will be more brighter. And since the image is inverted, then you'll find this lower half of the object will be forming above half of the image or upper part of the image, and this upper part of the object is going to be forming lower part of the image. Hence we will say upper part of the image is going to be brighter as compared to the lower part of the image. A option, which says upper part or upper half of the image is brighter than the lower half. I hope you got the point. If you got, that says A option is going to be the correct response. Thank you.